Today we're checking out the CAMBOFOTO magnetic pocket phone tripod stand. I tested it using both my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and S26 Ultra, each with MagSafe compatible cases, so I was able to really see how well the magnetic holds across different setups. CAMBOFOTO sent this to me for review, but as always, this video is based on my honest experience and real-world testing. Inside the box you get a simple but complete setup, 2 small hex key, 2 magnetic adapter ring, manual instruction, and 1 magnetic pocket phone tripod stand. The unboxing is straightforward, everything is individually packed, and the accessories make sense. The hex keys are for tightening the joints, and the magnetic rings are perfect for non-MagSafe phones and cases. The tripod is built from solid aluminum, and you can feel the quality right away. There's no cheap plastic, there's no flex. It feels like a legit piece of creator gear. The magnet is surprisingly strong, especially with my S25 and S26 Ultra MagSafe cases. It snaps on confidently and holds steady in portrait or landscape. It is folded down, it is compact enough to fit in pockets, sling bag, a camera pouch, even the side of your jeans. It's small, but once unfolded, it becomes a stable tripod for filming, calls, or desk setups. The arm has multiple joints that let you fine-tune your angle, tilt up or down, raise or lower the phone, switch between portrait and landscape, or you can angle it for overhead or product shots. If the joints loosen over time, the included hex keys let you tighten everything back up. It is Arca-Swiss compatible. The base works as an Arca-Swiss quick-release plate, so you can mount it directly onto tripod heads. The silicone pads on the bottom keep it from sliding around on smooth surfaces like desks or countertops. One thing I really like is how versatile the base is. I tested hanging the stand on the nail sticking out of the wall using the built-in hole. It worked really well, super stable, and it gave me a high-angle top-down view that's perfect for my B-roll. I also tested sliding the stand into a cabinet handle and it held perfectly. I think this can be really helpful if I don't have a desk or table right beside my subject. The only cons I have is this is not ideal on uneven surfaces because the legs are flat. It's not even the best option for rocky or uneven outdoor terrain. Overall, I like it. It's been very helpful to my setup. The CAMBOFOTO magnetic pocket phone tripod stand is compact, solid, and surprisingly versatile. My S25 Ultra and S26 Ultra, the joints give you plenty of angles, and being able to hang it on a wall nail or hook it on a cabinet handle just makes it even more useful for filming. If you're looking for a compact, dependable stand for product shots and quick creator setups, this one fits perfectly into your workflow. That's it for this video. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.